All right, in this quick video, we want to troubleshoot AirPods, and it doesn't matter if it's a Max or a Pro, whatever, that's the battery's draining too fast on them. So you use it and you notice that they would used to last for hours, and now all of a sudden in 30 minutes, they're drained. So one thing you need to check is to make sure that they are being fully charged. So it's a possibility you're not getting a good connection and they're not being charged, and you're putting them in, or the charge is going in and out as they're charging, and they're not going to the full 100%. So what you want to make sure you do is check on your iPhone and go to the settings, or when it's in here, check and see as it's pairing, see what the battery percentage is. So it should, if you just charged it, it should say 100 or 90. It shouldn't say 15 or 20 immediately. So if that's the case, then you know that you're not charging it well. So one thing you need to do is make sure that they are making a flush connection with them, and you can clean them with like rubbing alcohol, like 90 or 70% rubbing alcohol with like a little Q-tip, and make sure it's clean inside the charging ports. All right, and check your USB-C cord that's going into it. Make sure it's that it's not faulty. You might need to switch out cords. And just make sure that it is charging fully, because that happens a lot of time. All right, and of course make sure that you completely charge it. Remember, as it's getting older, it's going to take a lot longer to charge. So if it took you, 30 minutes to charge before, it might take you more of an hour. If they're getting older and you're using them over a year, they might just take a lot longer to charge. All right, next thing you could do is turn off any added features that you have on your iPhone. So for example, turn off active noise cancellation, turn off transparency mode, disable adaptive audio if you rarely use it. Turning off those extra features will help. Put the AirPods back in the case when not in use. So if you're not using them a lot and you're used to having them to the side or whatever, when you store them or before you go to bed, make sure that you do have them in there fully charging, and go ahead and plug it up with a USB-C as well, because you'll it's just like a smartphone. After time, you have to charge them a lot more. All right, turn off automatic ear detection test. So to do that, you open up settings, tap Bluetooth, tap the eye next to the AirPods, turn automatic ear detection off, and then test the battery life. All right, if the battery life doesn't improve, you can turn it back on. All right, next what you can do is update your iPhone. So to do that, go to settings, tap general, tap software update, and then install the latest iOS version. So updating your iPhone could help. And then check for a weak AirPod battery. If one AirPod loses power much faster than the other, open the charging case near the iPhone, compare the battery percentage. If one AirPod consistently drains much faster, its battery may be wearing out, and you may need to replace one of the AirPods. All right, and reduce high drain usage. The battery drains faster when listening to at maximum volume, so you might want to turn the volume down a little bit, using noise cancellation continuously. And in order to turn off noise cancellation while they're in your ear, what you can do is just hold down, and you'll hear a chime with your fingers on the stem here. If you hold it down, that's how you can turn noise cancellation off. So try doing that, and taking long phone calls, of course, will wear them down, and frequently switching between Apple devices. So if you're connecting it to your MacBook and then you go into your iPhone, that'll do it as well. And then last but not least is to reset it. And of course, to reset it, to do a full factory reset, you just put them both in there, and then you push down this reset button here on the back, and you hold it down for 15 seconds until this turns orange, and then you're going to need to repair it with your iPhone, and that may fix the issue. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.